Alright guys, let's take a quick look at Bitcoin and Ethereum tonight. Now I'm not going to look at any altcoins tonight just because the simple fact is nothing is really pumping today of interest. And yeah, I mean Bitcoin isn't even actually having a bad day. You can see we do have a green daily candle today. We've been sandwiched between 95,170 and 93,600. Now we have come down and retested that, so that is good. We got a good bounce. Now we just need to break through $95,170, and really the next resistance is up here at about what, 98,500. So that is, you know, not looking too bad, guys. But yeah, we have kind of just been sandwiched here for a couple of days between these two resistances. Now, taking a look at Ethereum, it's still trading in this, you know, channel, this ascending channel here. And like I said, guys, we're going to meet this resistance here at some point. Now, I think it will be probably in the next week or so. And yeah, we just have to wait and see. But we are retesting the top of this Fibonacci level at the moment. If you zoom in, you'll see this a little bit better. So also we are pretty much sandwiched between about 1854 and, like I said, the top of this Fibonacci, which is about 1766. Now, taking a quick look at the total market cap, guys. Yeah, once we broke this, you know, trend line here, like I said, it's not good. And we did get a rejection a couple of days ago. We also, if I zoom in, I'm going to call this a rejection 2 because it's close enough in my opinion. So yeah, it looks like the trend is down, and it looks like we, you know, have support here at 969. So let's see if we come down and retest this again. But yeah, I certainly hope not, guys. Now, dominance. Just look at this. This trend line, guys. Just when you thought it was breaking yesterday, today it moves above it. So, guys, I really don't know what to do with this. You know, but the dominance just wants to keep going up. It keeps, you know, wanting to go higher. Altcoins are suffering, of course. But yeah, I mean, the simple fact is we do have a trend line right now keeping us up. Maybe I can adjust this a little bit actually now too. Maybe I can do something like this. Maybe that would be better, honestly. But yeah, it's just really hard to know where to put this line. But it appears, you know, it has bounced, and maybe yesterday it got a bounce off this trend line. So maybe I was wrong yesterday with where I lined it up. Now, taking a look at the CME futures here, we do have a gap here still, guys. I do want to point that out. It's only about a $400 or $500 gap, though. If I put this on a weekly time frame, maybe it'll be a little bit easier to see it. But maybe not. Yeah, actually it's probably better on the daily time frame. But here it is. Yeah, so the CME gap, you know, it's only what? It goes from 96,465 up to about $96,945. So yeah, it's about a $500 gap, guys. Now, taking a look at the dollar index, dollar is suffering again today. So we do have several days in a row where it's suffering. And basically it is getting support though right now on 99.17. If I zoom in, you'll see this. But yeah, today it has broken this level here at 99.745. So let's see. Maybe it remains in this little wedge here. And yeah, a stronger, you know, dollar means a weaker Bitcoin. So a weaker dollar means a stronger Bitcoin, guys. So the weaker this gets, the stronger Bitcoin gets. Looking at the liquidation heat map, guys, it's not that bad. Only about 215 million have been wrecked in the last 24 hours. As for the fear and greed, guys, it's a 59 today, and yesterday was a 52. So we are going up. We're in greed now. Yesterday was neutral, so that's not that good, in my opinion at least. Now, we do have a 27 here on the altcoin season index. Right before this video, I refreshed it, and it was at a 31. So, yeah, we are coming down a little bit, but, you know, we haven't seen these numbers in quite some time, guys. So, it's nice to see, you know, 27 and 31. I do think altcoin season is around the corner. Now, if we take a look at the bull market peak indicators, guys, it's 0 from 30 have been hit. It's still 100% hold at the moment. The best indicator, in my opinion, is the Pi cycle top indicator. And like I said, it just looks like it wants to start curving back up. But, you know, this is going to take some time, guys. It's not a very fast indicator. But yeah, in my opinion, somewhere around here, it looks like it starts to get that little tick upwards. Now, tomorrow, guys, we do have the interest rate decision from the Fed, and it's expected right now that we're not going to get a cut. Now, what's going to be pretty important is probably this press conference. So we need to see like what the Fed says, or Jerome Powell actually says, since he will be leading the press conference, of course. And yeah, like I said, it's about a 97% chance that we are not getting a cut tomorrow. But there's still about a 3%, you know, chance, or 3% of people are holding out hope here. But yeah, I think at this point we pretty much know. Now the meeting is in about 22 hours, a little bit less than 22 hours, as you see here. So now let's take a quick look at June. I just want to take a look. Now, okay, this is pretty interesting because it used to be in reverse, basically. Where you had about 30% believing we weren't going to get a cut and about, you know, 68% believing we were. Right now, it looks like that has changed. Now, there is a 1% chance there's going to be a half, you know, point cut or whatever, or 225s if you know, we do get that surprise tomorrow. But yeah, it does look like in June, there will not be a cut at this point. Now, July, it appears there's going to be a cut at least. So 2 more months, or 2.5 months actually, is possible that we still must wait to get some cuts. But yeah, let's take a look at September too. September also looks like there's going to be another cut there. October, again, it's more of a chance that we get another cut. And December, wait, did that change? 350? No, that looks like it would stay the same. You know, there's more, a majority here that looks like we won't get a cut in December. But hey, the second choice here is not far behind, and that looks like we will get a cut. So basically, it looks like 3 cuts are almost for sure this year. Now, in my opinion, I do think we're going to get 4. And I've said that, you know, all along, but we haven't got one yet. And, you know, we only have, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more meetings. So, in my opinion, I do think we're going to get 4 cuts still this year. But, you know, we'll see if I'm right. I hope I am. I hope we have 6 cuts, honestly. That would really help us out, but probably that's unlikely, though. Now, if we take a quick look at crypto bubbles, guys, not looking too good for today. Although the year and the month, those are green. That's good. The week, the day, and the hour, not doing so good right now. Now, if you want to stake your Bitcoin, go to Coinando, guys. And yeah, you can see there's 60 deals found here. You know, there's a lot of exchanges and things. Do your homework. Don't send your Bitcoin around blindly without reading everything and knowing everything. You know, sometimes in the past I have sent my coins somewhere and then I found, for example, oh, this is for newcomers, you know, and I'm not a newcomer to the platform. Or, you know, maybe this website is just not up to date, guys. Be careful. So, you know, you can lose money and things, but yeah, do your own research. Anyways, guys, if you like this quick video tonight, you know, I'm sorry there's no altcoins really pumping. But yeah, you know, I did update you on Bitcoin and Ethereum at least. So yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, share this video with your friends, and check out some of the deals in the description below for the exchanges that support me. Also, I do have a Moodix link down there if you do want to get Moodix here. You know, it's not just about these measurements here. They do have actually a lot of tools on Moodix, so check that out. It can actually help you in your trading. And yeah, guys, I thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.